Greetings folks, I'm at VDTA 2019 and I'm here at the Numatic booth and we have a Henry Petcare, and this is a new product for the US market. It's a great little canister. He's smiling because he's so great at what he does. And I have all the accessories this is going to come with. And that is a lot of tools for a little vacuum like this. So they're going to give you an air-driven stair and couch tool. We have a wonderful turbo tool. This is actually made by vs.Henry out of Germany, this tool. And this is the same tool we see on the Miele canisters as well now. They also have another mono-wheel design that's very similar to another European brand as well. And this has the flip-up brush and your lint pickers. They also have this nice stainless steel wand right there. So a little bit of telescope, more for the user adjustment. And then you have this elbow, and this elbow has your suction relief, and they've put foam over the suction relief so it doesn't whistle like some other companies. They have a small stub tube. You have all that. Then you have a nice dusting brush, crevice tool, so that's absolutely wonderful right there. Then they have a nice long hose on here, and then the cord is 30 feet. They say it has 40 feet of reach with the hose and the wand and all that. It's just absolutely wonderful. The other thing, when we pull this guy close, right here, so the plug-in versions of these have a mechanical cord winder that you just, like so. And the advantage of doing this is reliability. There's a lot less to break in there than other cord winders. Power switch, power indicator. You can see it's very, very quiet. Now, inside the Pet version, and this handle is pretty hefty. You can tell they use a big motor in there. We have a carbon infused pre-motor filter bag. Really cool for pet odors, so you're not going to get that stinky dog smell in this. And then they have a giant bag. I mean, these bags in these they're, I think maybe the Sebo D4 might be the only other thing that has a bag this size on the market. I mean, this is just to give you an idea how big this bag is. Everything on this just feels of quality. Everything is real solid. There's also nothing over the top on these. You don't have anything where it shouldn't be, no fancy materials, just what you need. So that's really cool to see this right here. And if you boys in the UK are watching this review, I hope I'm doing it justice, because it's really a great little machine. Right here, we're going to try real quick the pet hair tool brush. On here. Wow, that really spins up. And that really works well. So let's go ahead and do a pickup test and see how the rest of it does. So we got our usual pickup test. We got our dog hair, our breakfast cereal, our cat litter, and our flour. Let's see how it does on this carpet. Wow, for not having an electric power brush with that big mess, that really did well. We don't see any fine stuff. A little bit of this, but that could be simply where the belt was, is what left this behind right here. So if we look, this belt, that lines up right there. So that did pretty good. Alright, we're going to do a pickup test now with the Henry Petcare. And we have our usual mess set up, our flour, our breakfast cereal, our cat litter, and some hair. Let's see how it does. even get to the pet hair and it sucked it up. Wow. So as far as anything left behind, a little bits of cat litter, but let's give it one more pass. Just fine. I'm really impressed with the pickup capability of this little machine. How this does. It does quite excellent. Well, maneuverability is excellent, pickup is good. Wow, for not having an electric power brush with that big mess, that really did well. We don't see any fine stuff. A little bit of this, but that could be simply where the belt was, is what left this behind right here. So if we look, this belt, that lines up right there. So that did pretty good. Let's vacuum a little bit more with it and test its maneuverability now. Wow, that really maneuvers well. So this Henry Pet Care does live up to all the hype as far as I'm concerned. Please like, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and definitely comment below. Well, maneuverability is excellent, pickup is good. The Henry Pet Care might just be the next best thing you can find for pet hair. Please like, subscribe, and thumbs up our video.